Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. So today I'm going to make steamed salmon fish. You can see this is very simple, very delicious recipe for dinner and very easy to cook. The recipe is very simple, very easy. Now we are going to start the recipe. First of all, what you have to do, take one pot and add all the vegetables which you want, any kind of vegetable, and I'm adding here a few potatoes, onions, few green chilies, and we have to put next some oil, 2 tablespoons of oil I'm adding here. You can also see all the ingredients which are already written here. So then I will put a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, and add 1 cup of water. And so friends, our next step is to make a green paste. So I am adding here 2 green chilies, few mint leaves, and few fenugreek leaves. These are fenugreek dry leaves, which we say them kasuri methi as well. So then I will add them 1 tablespoon of water to make a paste. So I'm making this paste with my hand. So another bowl, we are adding 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and this green paste to make a mixture marination. These light spices will make your salmon very flavorful, very tasteful, and this recipe is very delicious for your dinner. So next I am using here salt. You are adding salt to taste according to your taste, and then I will add here a half teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. And chaat masala, you can see. And I'm also adding here 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for more flavor, and then I will mix it. A paste is ready, so I'm adding here 1 tablespoon of oil for. So our green paste is ready. Now I'm going to marinate this green paste in our salmon. Here I have taken 1 kg of salmon. This is a steam tray which I'm using here. So I put already the salmon like this, and I'm just putting on the top of the salmon this green paste, and then like this. So what we have to do, this steam tray we have to put on the top of the pot, vegetables pot, like this very carefully, and this salmon will cook in steam of vegetable or that water, and we have to cover it for 15 minutes. Then we have to check it, and again when the fish is cooked and the veggies are like tender, so our salmon will be ready. So friend, here is our look. Steamed salmon is almost cooked, so I'm just dish out and you will see the last turnout, how it will look like. Here's our steamed salmon is ready to try. It's really delicious, very flavorful, easy and simple recipe and very healthy. So please try the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. I will see you in my next video, inshallah. See you soon. Bye bye.